Imagine you're at the heart of a bustling city. Cars, buses, and people moving in all directions. Each one of those cars is like a piece of data, and the road is the system that carries that data from one place to another. But what happens if we want to handle hundreds of thousands or even millions of cars at once? This is where Kinesis Data Stream comes into play. In the digital world, data doesn't just sit around waiting for us to ask for it. It flows constantly. From the moment you click a button on your phone, to when you check out your shopping cart online, and even when you watch a video on YouTube, data is streaming. But how do we manage this flood of data in real time without it getting lost in the traffic? Enter Amazon Kinesis, a powerful service that helps us collect, process, and analyze streaming data at scale. Picture this as a super efficient highway system designed for data. It allows businesses to move vast amounts of data at high speeds, and what's incredible is that it processes it as it's happening, giving companies the ability to respond to customers' actions instantly. With Kinesis, data is broken into smaller shards, like lanes in the highway. Each shard carries a chunk of data, ensuring that traffic doesn't bottleneck. As data flows through those lanes, you can have real time analytics or even trigger actions like sending a notification when a customer places an order. Let's say you ran an online store and you want to track which products are getting the most interest at any given moment. With Kinesis, you can collect real time data on every click, every purchase, and analyze it instantly. The beauty of it is that this system doesn't just handle small amounts of data, it's designed for the big leagues. Billions of events can be processed with virtually no log. It's like having the ability to observe every transaction in real time, not after the fact. But it doesn't stop there. Kinesis can scale. As your data grows, your system can grow with it. You can add more shards as needed, making sure your highway system can handle whatever traffic comes its way. The ultimate takeaway: Kinesis is like the brain of a real time data, making sure every car or data point gets to its destination quickly and efficiently. In a world where data is constantly flowing and every second counts, Kinesis is helping us keep the data highway clear and moving at full speed. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe and the super thanks button if you have cash. Cool, thanks. Bye bye.